Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Juneflower, and in today's video we are going to learn how to make white rose flowers on mauve crepe saree. So let's start this video. So here I have attached this mauve crepe saree on this frame, and now I'm going to start making white rose flowers. These white rose flowers are very easy to make, any beginner can make it. Please excuse me because I am shooting this video at night time because I have got one order which I have to complete, and so I thought why not make a video of it. So here I have taken this Fevicryl fabric colors. As you know, this is what I always use in all my videos. So I have taken white color, and there is nothing much that you have to think about. It's only you have to just take this color in your brush and you have to do that zigzag. That's it. So just watch how I'm doing. It's really easy. Just watch me carefully, and within few minutes you will be able to make perfect roses. Here I'm making few buds. I'm doing it freehand, but you can trace the roses and then color them. Choice is yours. See, I'm done with all the roses and its buds. Now I'll do the leaves and the stem part with sap green color. And now it's time to do the finishing touch with the black color. See, we are done with the roses. It's that simple. I hope you liked this video. If you did, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And you can follow me on Instagram too. My Instagram handle is juneflower art. Thanks for watching.